how to replay disappearing photos on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app and go to your messages by tapping the chat icon in the top right corner. Select the person you want to send the photo or video to. Once you are inside the chat, tap the camera icon in the bottom left corner. Now, take a picture or record a video using the Instagram camera. After capturing the image, you will see three options at the bottom of the screen: View Once, Allow Replay, and Keep in Chat. If you select View Once, the person will only be able to see the photo or video one time, and then it will disappear. If you choose Allow Replay, the recipient will be able to view the content twice before it disappears. If you select Keep in Chat, the photo or video will stay in the conversation like a regular message. Once you have selected the option you prefer, tap the Send button. When the recipient opens the message, they will see the photo or video according to the setting you chose. If it was set to View Once, the message will disappear as soon as they close it. That's how to replay disappearing photos on Instagram.